Oh. So, how's it? Sorry man, I was batting you. How are you? Okay, sure. Let me put my name. So guys, I'm gonna have a order in green food. So guys, as you can see, I just ordered the food because I was very hungry. You understand? And I was bathing Pashka Vesui, so let me go and mop the bath. Let me go and mop at the bathroom, and then I'll eat, and then we'll go where we're going today. Tango. What's good, man? This is Boy Press, and that's good to welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, what's gonna be happening in today's vlog is I finna go and buy some clothes in Yana, you understand? And yeah, I'm home alone. I'm a friend, this film, everyone is not at home, and I didn't want to cook. I just decided to order the food here, as you can see. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Also here there's a roll, there's some livers. I ordered some livers barbecue because I don't like the sauce, and that's what this sauce here because I played order already. I don't like the sauce here, so I don't have this other, so can't not give this other, so order. So yeah, that's why I ordered the livers. You know how I don't like hot stuff, so I'm gonna put the livers in momo, and then at the raw I made that one sakurija, as you can see. So yeah, this is what I ordered. So after eating, we're gonna go and look for some clothes in Yana, and then I wanna buy my mom some pumps. Also, what are my pumps in guys? So every time even I was buying some pumps for here. So yeah, that's what's gonna be happening. So make sure to stay tuned, you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe. What the fuck? There's no spoon, imagine guys. I don't know about my spoon. Those people are not serious. There's no spoon, there's no massivities. So I wrote in which Gani. Yes, anyways guys, stay tuned. Tango. So man, basically what's happening now is motor yadzoka naenda kuna nayo. So my friends car and they are yadzoka now. I'm going to check it and then yeah, and I'll leave. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, now I'm driving the car. Hey guys, I don't know when last I drove in the streets of South Africa, but yo, Joburg is so beautiful guys. Let me show you the hood that I am in. I'm in Boksburg. So man, I just arrived. Yo, the weather today guys is so cold today. Don't mind my jacket, yo, because I've been wearing it for the past 2 days. So it's cold, as you can see. I'm out here, First Street, Boksburg. You understand? So yeah, let's go and look for some USD. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, I have my 100 USD here, and my shops they are telling me that 17 rand. I should get 2,000 rand. You are on per 1,700. 1.7 per 100 US. This is good. Imari is a good boy. This is a good friend. Didn't rock up a US. We don't bummer a friend. I would are. Yes, guys, let's see what is no person. Was I can't do that. So yeah, guys, now that I'm going to go to Eastern Mall. You understand? Now I wanna go to Eastern Mall, and I wanna see if I can get a better rate there. So stay tuned. You understand? Stay tuned. Let's go together. So man, this street that you are seeing here is called Chausilias. It's here in Boksburg North. So guys, I wanna show you Pamapanegara. It's been in South Africa. Papa Pandegara, and yeah, this is the street I travel. So it's called Chow Silias. Guys, I have so many memories with this area, man. I like every time I feel like crying. Like I think 4 years ago, but I still remember the roads and even the street names. You understand? So yeah, this time up in South Africa, I need that I'm street no remember Chow Silias. Let me show you the street. So guess you get Pakona. Pakona, but do I get the favorite place actually? It's Balikwa. As you can see, Pakona Banagaga. That's the liquor in our Papa Ocean basket apple. And then we'll go to the shop right too. Let me show you. It's butcher that she got zero. I mean, Papa didn't see baker. I mean, so yeah, guys, don't see my garom. You that's our shop right. You understand? I think I have to go here. You understand? Guys, and I started to drive. When I came here, as you can see, right, I'm going to cool up, but my shoes are cool up. I'm going to take out my shoes, cool up. So I start to I think the farm will check over on the sugar because they got a cool young one. I last vlog in Vegas with Tama. You understand? So I don't got my neighbors here. It's like a baby up. Rush to give up, but this gate, take a papa. This gate, number 86 Chow Silias. Baba, this cottage you no matter Garomo. It's a big cottage, it's a bit big. Price my number 86 Chow Silias. Opposite this crash. Yo guys, never memories Nepani Papa. Do matter Gare Baba. So sometimes if I order some stuff or address in South Africa, dress Baba. Don't go on Pamba. So yeah. Now we're still going to Eastern Mo. I'm park up. Let me take the left turn here. Hey, I want a few, right? Yeah. I'm going to left movie. Anyways, let's go, guys. I don't even know that I should get a few young with. I'm going to go down. I didn't. Where are them sorrow, Baba? Window. You know, Martin Sarasiga, man. Maora, snake on the grass. So, guys, and as you can see, first I'm going to shine my roller. Do my roller, no shine there, but not cheap, I mean, something like that. So, guys, I now don't know how to bank. Nimbono ndo kwanza ushinja mayesa angere ne bank rate. You understand? So it's hectic. So yeah, we are in Northrand. Road no Northrand. This one maybe sasa go kulana usiyama road. So make sure you stay tuned to watch the video today. Unaenda Girugo yo tripod ni airport. Yo. Chono mare. Actually no mare. Yo. You understand? So you guys make sure you stay tuned to watch the video and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more and more content, we're still spending the day together. Let's go. So guys, ndakamboshanda pa area ino. Lunch day tengera papo pachimoyo icho pa food lovers am. Toba tengera lunch papa. I used to work for restaurant and back group as asapo. I will show you guys how to get back. Guys, the manager was so cruel. The manager was so cruel, man. I don't wanna lie. Yo. Taisa tambira, taenzi mari yenyu penyu ma tips ndechekutanga. Chechi 2 kuti uzona wanzi wa waita kana ndiri waite papo. Hey, waitanga wanyora exam kuti upasa, ndobva ndakapaswa kana 1 day vananzi uri rana. I think yakavhara restaurant sisi papo. Ndangerapo. Yakavhara chete, yakabroka yambotadza. Ndangera apa. Pane chibhori cheri chamukuona apa. Let me zoom up. Beauty grade grave. Yakavhara munhu. Akabroka. I wanted to go there today and order some food. Nimboita biri nochikisa ndaranga neutsinye zvake imbuka yemunhu mudareyo. Ndakangana sene yake dena mention ndaranga neutsinye alright. Yo. Guys. So guys now ndombonotsvaka pane Bengeri FNB or something. Try kuita kuchinja rate but rate chana takadzakwa kuti amanaka. The rates here are so low. 1.7 still. I'm South Africa, man. Right. But anyway, still, let's see what we can do, and then I wanna go and buy some clothes. I still need the clothes though. So again, don't need to say you don't need to airport or a tambo. Anyways, let's see what's popping. Right, see how I got my levels, Baba. I'm wearing push. As you can see. Why is it? This is 3 muno. Muhoza machembimbo, Baba. Muhoza machembere. I'm wearing push. Ine zamana. Someone told me kuti anzi chimbotoya kuchinja mari yako mu Standard Bank. Daupaka paside ne push papa apa. Dopada upaka papa. Right. Chi paside ne ngoma ne push. Ine zamana game za uningi na Standard Bank unono sinopera se. Bozi, pakashata. Pakanyangara get bonus sinopera se. Nama one. Anyways, ndapaka paside ne push mane. Right. In rimpochi ya rimposhi ndrimuno moza machembere yangu mnisani baba ya rimposhi yake kusiyana kwa malevels anteze tapaka tatonzi mota dzapakwa apaka idzi. Anyways, amana again boza mopina Standard Bank timbono kuti tinopera se ndapa nemwe mo as you can see pana apa ni Standard Bank as you can see. Let's go. Hectic man. Hectic. Sharama futa mana. Anza zvigone. As you should be using bank rado chinjira mari anzi or else you should go to your bank rachona rono shansiro. As you can see the Standard Bank mashire kwa mgaramba. I'm sad. But anyways asukuzorega kuchinja mari yo. Chaunotera sei. Ena fio edo pera na uranze pane tenga munhu kwa tsisimu. Onai. Anyways, let me go and look for some fuel nyana because ndineka e-wallet kandeswa pana apa then ndinonga fuel pa garage iri pa opposite apa iro pade gonye ndiro apo ndinga ndapedza kumwe papo I'll keep on searching chimbono zvakamira sesoya to ina chete my guy saka zanda kunotsvaka fuel manje ndinonga fuel pa garage pandakamboshanda pa service station pandakamboshanda ndobata ndinonga petrol papa so you ndo taxi renge Boksburg you ndopate kukwira mataxi kwenda kubeva kana kuti kwate famba netso ndira kwenda mo irapa po ino Israel mo nara sen so yeah let's go. As I said ndinongera petrol pandakamboshanda. I used to work at this other car wash iri pa corner so pamba ne safe station baba so yeah. Let's go and see what it's no pera say apa ndo bandrodzoka pamoa baba. So yeah. Iri pandeshana ndi apa po pamberi pekombi yo. So let's change baba don. I think yarisena ngopaka mota ino baba. Kuti stofamba. Baba apa. Ndo pandeshanda. Sage tono sinopera say. I think that one of the girls when ndakamboshanda naye kudhara kensvike tonotofa yeah taapa garage so stay tuned. As you can see kamukadzi karosa fuel and I'm putting 200 so yeah. You can see petrol and then I'll go to the mall inside the mall. Mall there yo that's Israel Mall. I wanna go inside there. So guys, I just parked here as you can see. So yeah, now I wanna go inside the mall. So stay tuned, do not you. Yeah. This car. Aibo. Kunguruka ega mana imagine zvane nchadzoka yapaka murutu munai ini break yacho chabata. Anyways ketuno zvinopera sei because nda kuchinja mari kuibvisa kuma yusanise kuma errands. Let's hope zvinobuda peace out. So guys, I don't have an option. The actual driver was gonna big Boksburg where you gonna change mari yoyo. I don't go lose $15 apana plan. And they're gonna change those gonna more because ngofamba kuti kwenda kumoko. The mall is so big. Don't more than none of the food at teachers my years. And according to my messages are not cheater. I'm going to have my $US. So yeah, let's go to try US Boksburg and then we'll come and do shopping. Okay guys, as you can see, I just changed the man. So yeah, let's go do the clothing shopping, baby. Let's go. I'm out here in the mall, as you can see. So yeah, let's go and look for the shops that I'm looking for. Let me start with Mr. Price. But I feel like that's where we need my affordable clothes, you understand? So yeah, let's go to Mr. Price. Yeah, this mall is so cool and beautiful. Anyways, yeah. So guys, I found Mr. Price. I want it panape. So yeah, but pini mkati unozoramira si. So guys, as you can see, my t-shirts are Mr. Price. So so mana moms yanga tigotengero mapams. Ito mapams report kwa kashato. As you can see. So I was like, what if ndakawatengera this shoe? I mean like it can also work as pumps. Karna is malofas and I'm cheese. But the problem is I forgot the size. Maybe 6. Let me just say 6. Because yeah. What do you think, guys? Like I mean it looks so nice, this one. Ndapedzotenga masini ndakudzokera kumota. As you can see, I was in Eastern Mall. The mall is so nice, and yeah, everything is so nice about it. It's so cool. As you can see, the bag is full of clothes. You understand? Oh, I think it's good like that. So yeah, now I'm facing the owner of this car. And I think that up is the flow group. What's going to do? So I don't know, you understand? And I find a good day now and see what's popping, you understand? And see what's popping, what's going on. So yeah, stay tuned. It's good to get. Thank you. So yeah, guys, I used to work at this car wash. This one, papa. Do but I got tangy papa. Do but I got chest and Mario Shandy papa. Tango Puro Nepoji Tam, Shana Papa. So yeah guys, paneka traffic. Mukona apa chito naona chitogeza mota apa kutonda kwangu kuita 400 rand the whole day, $5. Avarunga wana tsitsi neso manje. Ayo. Anyways, let's go. Let's mind our own business and go. So guys, first of all, crisis ka. Bhuzi ratenga na momzi yangu dzanza radiki so ndobva pamo kunochinja zveso. Ndatenga size 6 instead of 8. So ndadelay ndiri more manje and crisis kuti ndekuzonzo. Ndona kutadza kupinda paningiri napo. Panonzi pachiapo. Apa. Pakavharwa. Because munomba moyo munomoka pinda ka. Unopowa car receipt, maizi. So if you overstay momoka, now you have to pay. I'm gonna like Tuna Maya Araba. She overstayed. So now she have to pay to go out. Let me see if I can get out nicely. But I doubt. Man. Pakashata. Do I still even have the let me see. Scan the ticket here. It's not opening someone. So man, the card declined. So that's all it has to do. I imagine South African card wrong. I'm still American send South African bank account wrong. So I was stuck in mashiri kwangu mira mota dzakawanda. So ndazokuti ngikutry rangu rekuzimu namara rifekera baratoita because I was doubting if it can tape because kuzimu kwachina kuramba kutepa and chikunishamisa kuno kwachina rikubvuma. So I don't know what's wrong with it. So now I wanna go and buy some food. Maybe I just have to order. I'm not sure if card rachina rakabvuma kunozasi kushanda. You understand? I'm not sure if card rachina rakabvuma kutepa. So let me just order the food and then I will go and collect the food. It's better like that than say there is McDonald's and talking about zoom up then I'm gonna try to tape room line for the ramba. So yeah, let me try to order and then yeah. So man, ndazongo decide kuti Uber iri kuti kana ndakoda chikafuka irundi pa restaurant ari kudhuze nekwandiri kunoko official sudezo kuti ari kudhuze neari kumba. You understand? So ndazongo decide okay ndoenda kuma restaurant ari padhuze nepadeni and then ndoenda say ndo order ndiri padhuze so that ndopika location ipapo. You understand? So now I'm driving to go to nearest my restaurant aripo and then yeah I will order some food and then I will eat. And also I'll be delaying time yokusvika padeni because mufesa wangu ari muchiraundi ndiri muchiraundi of food and you know chilling padeni ana moms acho it will be weird asati nyatsojairana maisi. So yeah, let's see what's popping and then just make sure stay tuned. I'm out here as you can see. Look at the window. You can't see both of flash. But yeah, I'm out here. So guys, as you can see, ndasvika panapa I think pa Ravens wood kana kuti pa ndepana tisha damena I just remember. But yeah, we out here. Let me look for somewhere to park, somewhere nice. Guys, ndikushandisa musoro. No map, no what. Just my big head baba. Kunwa ndakabva 4 years ago. I know butter, you know, right? Anyways, stay tuned. Let's see what we can order. There's a pizza there, and there's Burger Kings, and there's McDonald's, KFC and stuff. So let's see what we can order. Few and chill. Alright guys, I don't even know what I even want here. So now I'm going to drive through a Burger Kings here. I wanted to go to McD, but can you try Burger Kings? Nice. Can try Burger Kings. And I want to bad man. Don't you drive through here. So guys, the thing is like I'm not sure if I can't drive rakabvuma kutepa because ariziye password rakabvuma kutepa nenda pinda but rakavhunza password manje nenda nyondera because I don't know the password. So let's see what we can get there. For 120 chichinwa kids my special guy chicken for 2 21 Shinopera say hello, how are you? Can I please have
Okay, so thank you. May come to the next one. Anything else you'd like to add?
Sure, thank you. So I guess I'm not sure which one is ripo here, but let's see. Say. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Sorry. I saw something like there were 2 beggars which were costing 120.
No, the 2 bags, 120.
Yeah, it's like special or something. Let's try to tip. It tipped. Oh, thank you so much. Sorry?
I didn't hear you last time.
Okay, you can leave this one for drink.
Thank you.
Oh, sure. Thank you so much. Sharp, sharp. So guys, it's yangu yekutipa. Umugariro. Yekutipa. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. I think got 2 beggars here. You understand? One for me, one for song. I just tried the new me or something, but try. Let's see what you capture. Guys, I don't even know why it took so long. Anyways, that's the meals. Let me eat. I really miss this, yo. Let me eat, guys. I'll see you after eating. Jera kutopera mazvonaga. Sabana madini. Pesa wangu ani bato to wadi ngomana. Svika timbogocha timbodyikasadza but ndakazvimbiro. Saka ine munhu mulinga mbono zvinopera sei. I think yapedza graft maize. Saka timboona zvinopera sei but I think jere ratotopera. Abasina yakanyanya tichambonoita pamaize. So guys, I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? If you want more of this content, just tell me down in the comment section. I'll keep on giving you. And far as so yeah, I think I just have to end the vlog here, and I'll give you another vlog tomorrow. Muchakwara in my vlogs, and right now I'm in Boksburg, as you can see. It's not zooming, yeah, Boksburg, not. So yeah, stay tuned. Danko.